Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today, we are going to take a look at Rapha's Core Bib shorts. So Rapha is a UK-based company designing cycle gear, so we're going to take a look at that. Now, their core line is their basic line. This is their entry-level stuff. These bib shorts run at $160 Canadian, so we're just going to jump right into it. They just come in these little kind of plastic Ziploc bags, and we'll pop it open and take a look. So I went with the pure black. We got a little bit of tissue paper there. And we've got the Rapha tags. And they are just attached there by a sort of pink string. Nice little kind of contrast there. You can see on the legs here, the logo is just kind of, looks like a rubberized logo. Material is quite stretchy. But, you know, the important thing with bib shorts is always going to be the chamois. And I can tell you right now, actually feeling it, it is quite thick and quite curved, actually, as well. So you got a nice channel in the middle. The foam feels nice and dense, which is good. And we have sort of multiple layers. Goes out a little bit thinner material towards the edge, and then it's quite thin at the front. So time will tell. In comparison to a lot of the other chamois that I have, this is actually quite thick, which will be really good in the long run. So we've got multiple paneling. You can see the seams all look fairly decent. And then we've got nice rubberized gripper material on the bottom of the leg so it doesn't ride up, and it's quite wide. If you notice, that is the entire bottom as well. I have some Sportiful bib shorts that actually doesn't have anything there, and they stay put pretty good as well, so that's kind of cool. And that is, you know, the entry kind of level stuff. We've got a Rapha logo here on the back as well. I don't know how long these kind of rubberized, you know, decals will stay on there. I assume, you know, a good amount. They might peel off. Definitely if you don't follow the washing instructions. You can see again the chamois from the back here. And, you know, again, quite a bit of elastic stretch in them, which is good. If we take a look at the top of the bib shorts here, there is no mesh at the front. Some shorts will have the mesh material. Same thing with the straps. So they are all, you know, pure kind of spandex. You know, I've had bib shorts where it is, you know, perforated all the way through. But the nice thing with these guys is that you can see they are quite, you know, thick strapping. So they should be quite comfortable. If we flip over to the back, you can see, again, the strapping quite thick. Will, you know, it be as breathable as some of the mesh ones? Probably not, but I imagine the durability of this will be quite different. So, you know, at $160, I would say I'm quite happy with the look and the feel of the material. You know, again, this is just their entry levels. You can move up to their classics as well as their pros. Pros will be a bit of a tighter fit, but ultimately, I think this is looking pretty good. So that is a quick look at the Rapha bib shorts. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.